Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the first day of November, and as you guys all know, it's also the beginning of No Shave November. But at the same time, I also want to show you guys the progress of my beard since August. So let's go all the way back to August. Okay, now we're in August. So if you guys don't remember, I made a video about how to fix your patchy beard, and in this video I also brought up a product called Minoxidil, and this product is supposed to help you fix your patchy beard and also help your beard grow out better. Well, I don't know if you guys watched that video, but I know I made that video. Well, if you guys haven't seen the video, I'm gonna put a little link right here or right here, you know, just tap on that right now and go watch that video. But yeah, back in August, I started using this product. Personally, started using this product, and I would say that product is amazing. Since August all the way to November, I would say my beard has been full. It has been looking better, and it has been pulling the hose. Shh, don't tell nobody. But yeah, I would say, man, that product is just amazing because I don't know how it works. When you buy Minoxidil, it's supposed to come with a 6-month supply, and it's also supposed to come with 6 bottles in it, and each of those bottles is supposed to be for a month. Okay, and I'm on my 3rd bottle right now, which means that, well, I should be on my 4th. Because it's November, but I'm on my 3rd bottle because I usually don't use the product as much as I'm supposed to, because the product dries out your beard bad, like bad. I cannot, like, sometimes I can't even go out in public because my beard looks ashy, and I can't even scratch it in public because, you know, when you scratch and you see those little flakes coming out, oh, I can't do that. But yeah, that's the only bad thing about using that product. But at the same time, while using that product, I advise you guys, you know, to use probably a beard oil or something with that. But since August, hey man, I ain't got no complaints about that product because it has been doing its job. I mean, all you just gotta do is put some oil in your beard after using the product and get your beard as shiny as mine. I mean, mine ain't shiny, but yeah, get it looking good as mine, you know, probably even better. And it's also the beginning of No Shave November. I'm gonna be participating in this little event, so I can expect all the guys to join me in this little event. But if you want to fix your patchy beard, you want to make your beard go out, you want to even grow a beard, or if you have any bald spots in your head, buy this product called Minoxidil, and it should help you fix all that little problems I'm talking about right now. And also in this month of November, since it's the first day, I also want to tell you guys what to expect from me. You guys should expect an African lookbook, because I did make one and I deleted that because I hated the song, and I felt like I could do better with the whole making of the video, you know. So I didn't remake the video, but I'm just gonna re-edit the video for you guys, and it's gonna be looking better than what I uploaded earlier. And also, you guys are gonna be expecting a fall lookbook from me, you know. Your boy's gonna be looking good. But yeah, what else should you guys expect from me? Well, I don't know. Whatever new ideas come to my mind in this whole month, in this month of November, I'm gonna, you know, just make a video about it. But if you guys want to see, or if you guys expect anything from me in this month of November, drop your comments down below and let me know what you guys want to see. And also in this month of November, I'm moving out. I know you guys can see this. I know you guys don't even want to see this, but yeah, I'm moving out of this apartment, and as you guys know, this is not my studio. Well, I don't know if you guys know, but this is not my studio, and I'm only using this just to make this video. Yeah, I'm gonna be moving back home. I withdrew from school and everything just to go back home to look for a better school and to basically chase my dreams. Like, I am so excited, but at the same time I'm kind of nervous. But I want you guys to come on this little journey with me and see my progress. by next year or in the next 2 years. But if you guys are still watching this video, thank you so much for watching this video. I want you guys to help me like, share, and yeah, subscribe, man. Like, cause really all of those things I just said are gonna help me. And if this video also helped you guys, help me give this video big thumbs up, because this is also gonna help me as well. That's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And well, it's still the first day of November. Drop your comments down below, letting me know what you guys hope to do in this month of November, or hope to you know, get to do in this month, and what you guys also want me to do for you guys in this month of November. Thank you guys so much for watching, and deuces. Now have a great day.